Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for you. The best 3M hooks heavy duty, capable of holding up to 10 pounds. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to hang items around your home, office, or outdoor space, these hooks might just be the perfect solution for you. You may have seen these hooks in stores or online. They come in a convenient pack of 12, which makes them an excellent addition to any home organization project. What sets these hooks apart is their ability to stick to a variety of surfaces without causing any damage to your walls. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the surface where you want to apply the hook, peel off the protective backing, and press it onto the wall. Make sure to hold it in place for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. It's that simple. And the best part? You can change the hook's locations whenever you need to without leaving any sticky residue behind. These hooks are perfect for a multitude of uses. You can hang towels in the bathroom, pots and pans in the kitchen, or even decorations and tools in the garage. The transparent design allows them to blend seamlessly into any environment, so you get the functionality without compromising aesthetics. Now, let's talk about the durability. Each hook can hold up to 10 pounds, making them reliable for lightweight items like keys or bags, but also sturdy enough for heavier bathroom towels or kitchen utensils. Imagine how much cleaner and organized your space could be with these little helpers. One great feature of these hooks is that they're waterproof. So, if you need to use them in damp areas, like the bathroom or outdoors, you don't have to worry about them losing their grip. They can handle humidity without compromising strength. And when it's time to move, these hooks can be easily removed without damaging your walls. Just pull down on the tab, and it releases cleanly. No more holes or peeling paint. It's ideal for renters and anyone who loves to rearrange their space often. Let's recap the main benefits of the best 3M hooks heavy duty. They're easy to install, versatile for any style of home or office, capable of holding up to 10 pounds, waterproof, and removable without damage. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone looking to make their life a little more organized, these hooks might be just what you need. So there you have it. The best 3M hooks heavy-duty 10 lbs are a fantastic investment for anyone looking to declutter and organize their space efficiently. We've loved exploring these products today. If you found this information helpful or you're ready to purchase, check the link in the description below for the best deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews from Product Critique. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.